Orthotech, a provider of digital dental laboratory solutions, was established in 2014 in Penang, Malaysia. Since its inception, the lab has grown to include Bio 3D, the digital equipment distribution subsidiary, and in 2019, BioLearn, an education, training and consultancy center. Together, these companies work seamlessly in unison to create Bio Dynamix. Its clientele hail from all corners of Malaysia, as well as many other Asian countries, stretching across various industries from dental to engineering. In 2014, Orthotech was certified as Malaysia's first 3-shape triage-ready laboratory, which helped to further propel their efforts to elevate the digitalization of the dental industry. Today, their technicians meticulously create dental prosthetics with precision and accuracy, utilizing up-to-date materials and techniques. Their digital workflows are greatly enhanced with the latest scanners, milling machines, 3D printers, and leading design software, which has allowed them to achieve their primary vision of providing restorations at an affordable price and at the best possible speed, all without compromising quality. Bio Dynamix is the gateway to global resources that you need. A platform offering solutions for advanced manufacturing techniques with expert training from experienced industry leaders. Step into the future with Bio Dynamix.